everybody, welcome back to my channel. How do you guys like the setup? This is actually my area where I do my makeup. So I was thinking, hey, why not? You know, we got the window right here. How beautiful it is. My area right here. You guys can see my makeup. You know. Well, today's video is actually a video about Instagram pics, my makeup. I was very anxious to do it because, you know, people like, you're gonna go glammed out, girl. So if you guys want to see what people picked for me, please keep watching. I have the air on, but it's still hot. Well, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and, you know, follow my awesome content that I have. Check it out. If you're a recent subscriber, thank you so much for staying and checking out my videos. My marshmallows been freaking falling from my table. Anyway, so let's start. So I have all the pictures saved. So people actually, oh, I forgot something. What did I forget? Settings, double look, finishing powder. Now I have everything. Okay, well, people actually picked. I asked, what type of look would you like? Natural or glam? And people picked glam. Okay, you all tested me. So we're gonna start. It's so hot. For a primer, people actually picked the Kat Von D Lacquer concealer. I was actually like, wow, actually you guys picked Kat Von D for other than that, you know, what was the other one? Touching Soul. That primer is really good. So we're gonna apply all over the face. Making it nice and smooth. You know what too, what I found out? I actually fixed the ISO on the camera, so it actually looks very, very bright. And I'm like, oh, I work in camera for so long, and I just fixed my camera. I'm like, oh. As you all know, ISO means International Standard Organization, organization. It has nothing to do with the camera setting. I don't know what the fuck. It's an organization. But it looks so bright. Look at this. Oh, I'm happy. I should have done this a long time ago. Just think. Now, for my redness, you guys actually picked the LA Girl Pro Concealer Guacamole. And I'm gonna apply. Where's my mirror? We're actually gonna apply it on my red areas. You guys know I have cheeks like tomates. Okay, I think next you guys picked. Okay, so I hate it when my phone asks me to log into a Wi-Fi. I just hate it. Okay, so Okay, so yes, okay, for foundation, you guys actually picked the Shiseido The Makeup. So it's Shiseido The Makeup Dual Balancing Foundation in the color of B40. It looks pretty. Now for next, you guys pick Cookie Be Bright Concealer in the color of medium beige. I think I messed up on this one. I think I should have gone a little bit brighter, but pretty. It looks pretty. Okay. And yes, Okay, so for powder, I actually put finishing powder, but I actually like to put powder after I put concealer. I guess I'm old school, so we're gonna be using the Pics Hydro Mist Set and Refresh powder. I love this. I'm so happy I got it from boxycharm. I gotta put a little bit because this thing is wow. So we're gonna put some. Oh wait. Oh shit. I love the effect of that. It's actually like wet. When I first, I don't know if you saw my last video about boxycharm or boxy, but when I first used this, I thought my brush was wet, and I was checking all my brushes to see why they're wet, but it's actually the powder. Gotta make sure to see it because I'm using. I'm actually using this product little by little because I want to maintain it. You know. Don't want to go all out. Okay, so next you guys put it for bronzer. Okay, for the bronzer you guys pick the Cover FX, then the Pure Cosmetics. Good job on there. So we got the bronzer. This one I also got it from boxycharm. I just love this palette. I know it looks dark, but I actually love colors like this. I still have the film. I'm not gonna take out the film, but I need to. But let me see. Yeah, I have never taken the film, but I'm not gonna need it anyway right now. So I'm always using the finishing powder because the finishing powder is actually for my color. There were 2 palettes given, and I was hoping for this one, so I got it. Even though it's really dark. So we're gonna put some bronzer right here. Here, my big ass forehead. I'm not really much of a blush person. As you guys can see, my cheeks are already red. There you go. It actually looks like blush. Okay. You guys also bought it for as highlight. Yes, bought it for the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color of Peach Nectar. I have used it a little bit. I actually I didn't mention anything about brows, but I'm gonna be using my BH Flawless Brow Trio. You guys know I love this. My ugly ass brows. I'm gonna use this one instead. Okay, brows are done. Didn't really take that much on. So thank you guys for not picking wing liner because it would have taken a long time. So thank you guys so much for not picking it. So we're gonna move on to the Glam look. So I didn't pick what type of eye primer we're gonna use. I'm just gonna use the same Cookie Be Bright, you know, because it still works as an eye primer. How the hell are you guys gonna pick for a glam look without wing liner? Please explain. Okay, so we're gonna be using the bottle under. I forgot the name. Beautiful Bear, something like that. Okay, so we're gonna be putting. Where's my brush? So I'm gonna start with something enchantless to set the eyelid. Yay! Okay, so I'm just blending Temptress so it could look really, really nice. Girl, do you know how to make up? Put some of Queen. I'm gonna blend the green and the blue together, see how it looks. Oh yeah, it looks really nice. Wow, nice. And then for setting spray, you guys actually picked Pics makeup fixing spray, because then I'm gonna do the lashes. Oh, it smells wonderful. Now for lashes, you guys actually picked Lash-aholic. This ones I got them from Boxycharm, and I will be using them. I don't think they give any. Okay, so I'll be using tape. Wait, do I have tape? Lord Jesus, help me. I'll try the other ones. I hope I'm doing it right. I think I am. They don't look funny. You guys pick Tarte other than the other mascara. I forgot what mascara I put. I actually forgot, so we're gonna try the Tarte Big Eagle. I know you are laughing at me. I know you guys are laughing at me. Oh my god. Oh, it looks pretty. What else did I put? So you said lashes, yes. Shadow palette, bottle undercover effects. What did I put? Highlight. Okay, so I picked the right one. Setting spray, Glam, finishing powder. Yeah. Actually, you guys didn't do it bad. What do you guys think? We forgot lipstick. Well, for this look, let's just use the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color of Monaco. You know what? We didn't do that bad. This look looks nice. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Subscribe down below. Subscribe. Follow me in social media. I actually started TikTok, so I'm gonna leave the link down below so you guys can follow me. We can follow each other. You guys can see my funny videos. I have a few likes, so it looks good. WordPress. Well, actually I'm not writing anymore. I'm too lazy to write. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, WordPress, sometimes. Thank you guys so much for watching.